In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Revolut Business account or set up as a company or freelancer sole trader. Opening a Revolut Business account in 2025 is straightforward, and whether you're registering as a company or a freelancer, sole trader, the process is designed to be quick and mostly online. Revolut Business gives you access to international payments, multi-currency accounts, corporate cards, and financial tools to manage your operations efficiently. To get started, head over to the official Revolut Business website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be asked to choose between registering as a company or as a freelancer, sole trader. If you're a company, you'll need to provide your registered business name, company number, country of incorporation, and industry details. Freelancers or sole traders, on the other hand, will mostly provide personal details such as your full name, residential address, tax information, and the nature of the services you offer. In both cases, Revolut requires you to upload verification documents, which usually include a passport or national ID, proof of address, and in the case of companies, incorporation documents and possibly shareholder, UBO ultimate beneficial owner details. Once you've submitted the required documents, Revolut will run a compliance and verification check. For freelancers, approval can sometimes be instant, but for companies, especially those with multiple shareholders, it may take a few days. After verification, you can access your Revolut Business dashboard, where you can start setting up your account, issue cards, and create multi-currency wallets. Revolut Business also lets you integrate with accounting platforms like Xero or QuickBooks, set up automated payments, and generate invoices. You can order physical or virtual business cards for your team, manage expenses, and receive client payments directly into your Revolut Business account. One key advantage in 2025 is that Revolut continues to expand its international coverage, making cross-border payments much cheaper compared to traditional banks. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.